China cleared. Clear up. Time remaining 2 minutes.
I'll launch you first, then I'll...
Rayman, I'm gonna go. I'll see you later.
Okay, I got the pictures. Thank you.
Always a pleasure seeing you.
Yeah, same here. Got to come out to Crows and watch you fly the big bird.
Quiet. It's not my really fast one from last week. It's not that really loud. Alright, Jack, you ready? Okay. Alright, let's go. Alright, Ray.
Time remaining.
Go ahead.
No, Jack, I called hand launching, so it's fine.
I'll stay out of your way. Go.
Slow it down, don't do that much throttle. A little more.
Full throttle will make the thing spin.
Yeah. Don't yank it up like that. It was about to spit out of my hand.
30 seconds.
Okay, I'm going to do a fast, slow pass from the right.
Alright, then I'm going to hand launch Ray.
Okay. This is going to be a kind of fast, slow pass from the right.
Alright.
Full speed dive.
I like how that thing flies.
Me too.
8, 7, 6,
Jack, where are you?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, guys, I'm landing
Which way?
from the right.
Want to hit me, Jack? You can hit me if you want.
Braking.
No, you.
Landing from the right.
Oh, jeez. Tip stall.
Nice landing of the year coming up.
Look at that tip stall.
I am now.
I love how that thing lands.
Mike,
Not how I roll.
Which one?
Literally. Well, figure.
Let's try it one more time, Mike. Mike, you want to try it one more time, or are you going to fly something right now? Where is he? Where is he?
Not that anything is going to happen, but if something should happen, you don't want to be in the cover.
Mike, let's try it.
These guys are flying crazy.
Mike, let's try the nitroplane one more time. Then we got to, then I don't want to fiddle too much, but a little bit.